Customer wants to trim this shrub. Trim, 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 trim and weed. Trim, 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 trim. Trim over here and weed. Trim and weed. Trim and weed. Mow. Trim, 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 trim. Trim this guy. Trim there. Trim. Trim these. Trim. Trim, trim, trim. These ones, it's hard to say. Trim, trim, trim. Long grasses. Trim, trim, trim. Trim these. Trim these ferns. Cut back the ivy. Trim. Tidy up these beds. Trim back some of the ivy here. Trim back this ivy. Trim back this ivy. Trim back this ivy. Down here. All the way. It's a pretty big trim job. Okay. There's also some more shrubs and trees back here. Alright, so we're going to trim this all down and then mow the lawn, it's overgrown. Tidy up the beds. A big job. A lot of shrubs to trim.